Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. Something new behind us today. This is a Kioti K9 2400 utility vehicle. This machine has been out for quite some time actually. It is Kioti's main focus for the utility vehicle line. They also have a dual row seating unit as well as a cab unit available with heat and AC. This is their, what I would call, their first model that they came out with, their baseline model. It does have the upgraded Tomahawk tires and rims, aluminum rims on it, and this also has the optional add-on roof today. This unit is a really hot seller. It is diesel, runs the Kioti Dadong 3-cylinder diesel motor, which has been proven for years and years again for reliability. It's 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive, which is awesome. It's got a rear differential lock, just like all their tractors do, which is another great feature. It's got a nice big grill guard up front here, which is another nice feature to protect everything. The unit comes standard with these side doors. If they are in your way and you get quite annoyed, you can unbolt them and remove them. Very quick and easy, which is nice. We'll run over all the features this thing has to offer. These things are a little harder to get your hands on, especially during the COVID years, the past couple of years, but it does seem like we're getting a little bit more opportunities to get these in lately, so we figured we'd do a little quick video to show you guys about what these machines offer and just really how sweet they are. So perfect for somebody with a large piece of land or municipalities as well, or if you just want a heavy-duty workhorse to go in the woods and do some work and get some work done. The machine comes standard with an assisted strut back dump body. The dump body is not power up and down, but I'll tell you, once you dump your material out of it, you don't really need much. To put it back down, there's a locker here, which of course my dumb self will forget about, but you lock it back down, pretty easy. It doesn't take that much to put those up and down. Bunch of nice tie downs for a tarp here. In the inside of the bed, you're gonna have 4 D-ring style tie down points. The tailgate drops just like a normal truck tailgate will, which is an awesome feature. Nice and flat, opens right up. Coming over to the back here, we have some nice features. So right here is a trailer hitch receiver. Obviously on a utility vehicle, that's pretty common. People want to tow around their little trailer and whatnot. It's got nice adjustable suspension, very heavy duty rugged built, you'll see there. Nice setup. It also runs disc brakes on all four tires, which is awesome. So disc brakes all the way around, adjustable suspension. It is really kind of, the heaviest duty build that you can get really on these. Let's see here, we'll go to the front, I guess, start over back here. Again, I was talking about the grill, just want to give you an overview. There's not much going on here. They do offer winch options for these units, I believe, to mount to the front. This one doesn't have one right now, but it is an option. There is an opening section right here to open up front hood area. There is not much going on in there. This is more or less just a storage area on your hood. So this is the interior of the K9. It's pretty sweet. These doors shut nice and tight. You can remove them if you want. Got a pull e-brake right here that you'll release or engage when you're not running it. Nice cup holder right here. All your lights and headlights and blinkers all right here. Underneath here, you can't see it from where you're at, but that's okay. There's just a little lever mechanism for your tilt steering wheel. Over here, we have our nice LED dash, all illuminated, very bright, even in the sunny days like today, with all your dash, stuff on there, your battery light, your shifting light, your RPMs, your speed, your hours, all that stuff on there. You have a normal key, Kioti key right here, with a normal mechanical glow plug cycle that you can press or pull and hold, or the automatic glow plug cycle, which is 2 clicks forward and it'll turn on and then it'll go off on the dash and you can fire it up. So that's your key. Over here, we've got 2 different levers. This machine comes standard with a mechanical rear diff lock, which is a great feature to have, especially being in the woods and the mud and stuff. And then also 2 and 4-wheel drive. So 4-wheel drive down, 2-wheel drive up, which is great. Again, working in stuff, you might find the need to run it in 4-wheel drive, so has that standard. Down on the ground, you got a brake and a gas pedal, just like a normal car would have. Pretty simple. Low and high range and neutral and reverse, all in this column. The shifter is very smooth, pretty pretty basic and smooth, which is nice. I like that. Nice little slot to throw a phone in here or something. 4-way flashers, and you'll see a bunch of open spots to add auxiliary light switches, all that type of stuff there. There's a USB port with two outlets for USB chargers. Here you got a 12-volt outlet. Over here you got a little glove compartment and another cup holder over there. So that's most of the internal features of this. You will notice in some weird spots in the unit, you're gonna have grab handles. So there's a grab handle here. They don't put one here, I think, just because the driver is gonna be getting in and out, but there is one over on this side over there, kind of tucked away, which is cool. Just makes you have something to grab onto when you're bouncing around in the woods. The seating is nice and open. It's made for up to 3 people safely with 3 seat belts, but you could technically, I guess, fit more, but Marshall didn't tell you to do that. So the floorboard's pretty open, very a lot of leg room, nice and clean cut, not any major humps or things, obstacles you got to go around. If we pop open the seat, which we can do now, this will fold forward just like that, and your engine is actually underneath here. So to work on the motor or access some of the engine stuff, you can remove these couple bolts and access it and get in there pretty easily. So yeah, pretty simple on that. The seat just, again, removes on and off, very quick and easy. Just get it fit back in there, fits on there, pretty nice and tug. So that's that. Right today we told you we have this, this roof on here. This roof is an optional item. They offer a roof and also a nice windshield. They also offer a back plated system to kind of protect the outside elements from coming in the back. Your fuel tank is right down here. Diesel fuel, of course, so that's your fill port for your fuel. And yeah, there's a bunch of different tire choices. You can get a turf lawn tire. You can get these Tomahawk tires. There's an ATV tire. There's like 4 different choices on tires, which is good. It's nice to have choices. These tend to be the most popular on the K9 though. The Tomahawk tires matched with these aluminum rims just look great and tend to be a beefy tire that lasts a long time. So there's 3 seat belts total, slow moving vehicle sign standard. It has all directionals and road signals. So no, it's not road legal per se. You would have to register it to be completely legal. But it is going to have all the features to take this thing on the road. Normal blinkers, brake lights, all that stuff. So that's kind of cool. The speed, everybody's going to ask, the speed on this unit goes up to about 25 miles an hour, which is nice. That's a decent speed. You might achieve a little more than that in perfect conditions on flat ground, maybe 28, 30 miles an hour, but it's kind of, you know, the maximum potential of what these are. This machine is not made to be some speed demon. It really is a workhorse. It's a diesel utility vehicle. So again, like I said earlier, for municipalities, schools, farms, stuff like that, it's more of a workhorse. So that's the main reason they created this, not as like a play toy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are pretty simple machines. No emissions really to worry about. So easy maintenance. It's an under 25 horsepower motor, which is awesome. So no regen system and just diesel fuel. So that's a great thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, it's Marshall from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment going over the K9 2400 utility vehicle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, we'll see you.